Text, Beltone HearMax app. How to change program names and favorites. Open the Beltone HearMax app, download on the App Store, or get it on Google Play. Tap on the handle below the upper menu and pull it down to access the program overview. To change the name of a program or a favorite, tap on Edit. Tap on the program or feature you want to change. In this example, we change the name of the all-around program. Tap on the name of the program. Type in the name of the program you wish to change into the name field. Tap Save. Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com. Copyright 2017, GN Hearing Care Corporation. All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing Care Corporation. Apple, the Apple logo, and iPhone are trademarks of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. App Store is a service mark of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. Google Play and the Google Play logo are trademarks of Google Incorporated.